Hey, Too Long Drive, thanks for coming. Another click in. This is Kobe Tuff, Beads and Leather. As you may recall, we had just half a day to spend in Nairobi. We have David, our Asilia guide and driver, to thank for this gem. Vivian guided us through the workshop and gave us a window into the artisan's day. We met and talked with the ladies as they worked, and they gathered and sang a welcome song for us. By the time we left, we weren't just carrying gifts. We were carrying stories, faces, and a sense of connection that felt personal. This is Kobe Tuff.
So welcome to Kobe Tuff, Beads and Leather. My name is Vivian. I'm going to be your guide here.
Good. You. Excellent. I am Frank.
And I'm Karen.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, it's a pleasure.
So I'm going to be your guide here. I take you for a small ceramic tour. You see how we make the beads. Is that okay with you?
Yes, it sounds good. Yes.
Before that, I give you a short story about this place.
Yes, thank you.
And we start our small tour. Kobe Tuff is a women empowerment organization. It was started by a lady called Christine together with her husband in 2019 to empower women because we deal with disadvantaged women like orphans, widows, and single moms.
Yeah.
Here in Kobe Tuff, we deal with ceramic bead making and Maasai beaded leatherwork. For ceramic, we deal with them here. For the beader, she supports 4 groups. Each group consists of 100 ladies in Kajiado County.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
The Maasai ladies. Have you met the Maasais?
Not yet.
We just got in yesterday.
Yeah.
Are you going on safaris?
We are. We are going tomorrow to Tanzania. And so we will go across from Arusha over to Serengeti and then back through the south. So Ruaha and Nairere.
Okay, so why Maasai is because they are known as nomadic pastoralists, and most of them they depend on their cattle throughout. But because of prolonged drought, all their cattle died and are left in a source of income. And because they are good at beading, Christine decided she's going to give them a platform which enables them to earn a source of living.
Yeah.
What she does, she buys a cow leather for them. Cut them in a size of a belt, a collar, a bracelets, and Apple Watch bands. They do the beading on the leather. Then they're going to bring the piecework back here. We do the finishing parts. And the ladies that you're going to see here, they used to work in a ceramic company, but because of COVID-19, they were laid off. So Christine had the story, and she decided she's going to continue empowering these ladies, and that's why she opened a ceramic workshop here.
Good.
The reason we are called Kobe Tuff is because Kobe is a Swahili word for an African sea turtle.
Oh, yeah, I know this.
Sea turtle?
Yeah.
It has a very beautiful shell and a very tough one.
Right.
As well as ceramic beads here are very beautiful and very tough. Yeah. And that's why we are called Kobe Tuff.
Oh, it's very nice.
Yeah. So we may now start a small tour. You are free to take pictures and videos as well.
Okay, good.
Yeah. So apart from Jambo, what else do you know?
Asante Sana. Caribou. And then some names of parks.
So in making of our ceramic beads, we do start by clay. Like to have a feel?
Yeah.
Okay.
We start by collecting the clay from the slopes of Mount Kenya. Then you're going to store it in this drum and you're going to mix together with some water and some canals. Then one of the men will come and help us to start the clay every day for 2 to 3 weeks, and these are what it looks like. Then you're going to sieve the clay to remove all the impurities like sticks and stones. After sieving the clay, we are going to put it here to dry out for about 2 to 3 weeks again, depending on the weather pattern. And when the clay is ready, we have the red texture. We are going to store it in a drum like this to retain it moist. Then we are going to wedge the clay to remove the air bubbles. After that, we'll give it to our ladies over the other side, where they're going to roll the clay into different shapes. Jambo. So these are making room and this is the clown have a free bit.
Okay. Yeah, very smooth. And squishy.
We use a mold to measure the size of clay that you need first.
Okay.
After that, the ladies are going to roll the clay into different shapes, like the one she's making here. Then she'll use a knitting needle to make a waffle. Then we'll sun dry the clay to the sun for 3 to 4 hours to dry. After sun-drying, you're going to bake them in our oven for 8 hours at 1,000 degrees Celsius.
Oh, yeah.
And without fast. Without fast degree. See the different shapes as well?
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Then after here, we are going to take them to a glazing room.
Right.
Where we are going to glaze the beads into different colors. For that, I take it on the side. You see how they bead on the These are big rock, and she's one of the Maasai ladies. These are glass beads. These ones we buy them from Czech Republic.
Oh, okay.
The baby she's eating.
Oh my. This is amazing.
Very nice.
We have an Apple Watch bands for the Apple Watches.
Oh, sure, right.
We have bracelets.
Yeah.
We have dog collars, dog leash
Oh,
and the
right.
belts, and also some leather products that you'll get to see more of them once I take you to the show.
Okay.
Hey, wamekuja leo na misuli hivi. Yes, hey.
There we go.
Most premium, yes, indeed. This is all the pictures.
Yeah. And that's where my videos will be too. Yeah. So people can look at themselves if they can.
No, it's too early for a Sante Sana.
So these are our glazing room. We have our glazes on the other side.
Oh, yeah.
We pour them in a powder form. Then you're going to mix with the water to get the solution. The ladies are going to arrange the disc in a curved way like this on here, one by one, one by one.
Yeah.
And they're going to dip inside the glaze to get the plain colors.
Right.
And if you want a different pattern, like a giraffe pattern, a zebra pattern, or a design, they will use a brush to paint them.
Oh, like this? Yeah.
Then you're going to suspend them in a wire to dry for a few hours.
Right.
Bake them for the second baking, 8 hours at 1,000 degrees. I will show the queue on the way, but first you may have a look, see what they're doing, and then we proceed to the next.
Okay, good. Yeah, yeah. I keep saying I'm dreaming of giraffes. So there they are, the giraffes and the giraffe beads. Yeah, that's exactly it. I'm looking to see some giraffes. I have a stuffed giraffe that I got when I was 5 years old, and I've had it. You know, his name is George. Very inventive. But when you're 5, you know.
By Canada, below Alaska.
And yes, sometimes people think I look like
Sells these kinds of things. So now I'm going to take her card and see if they sell these.
Mrs. Claus. I mean, ho, ho, ho. Pardon me.
Worked with some people for years over the internet for Microsoft. And now we're going to meet them tonight.
For dinner.
Yeah.
We really wanted to come here. So, yeah. So, yeah, she likes this kind of stuff a lot. So, and I try to make sure that she gets what she wants. Asante Sana.
But I work with girls, so they're not quite this level because they're young girls. Jambo.
Jambo!
So there's a kiln. These are big beads for 8 hours at 1,000 degrees. It carries more than 5,000 beads. We only bake the kiln. We have our final product. We have a few beads.
Wow. It's amazing.
They're all super smooth.
Yeah, right.
bracelets, they're stretchy. We have a slinky wire, it wraps around. We also have one in glass beads.
Oh yeah.
We have an apple watch strap for the apple watches. For the letter cubes, you can make a bracelet or a keychain with your name. Ladies belt made of macrame design. And lastly,
That's what I teach the girls too. Macrame.
lastly we have our all the rest of the ladies are blue. Come out here.
Wahiri.
Hope you enjoy the tour.
Yeah.
Before I take you to the shop, we are going back to the making department for a welcoming song.
That's so much. Asante Sana.
Here we have the prices of the products and the exempt fashion cards.
Hey, Too Long Drive.
Thanks for watching.
And coming another click in.